welcome back to part 2 of Mrs. Pie's Mad Science Egg Experiment. So yesterday, if you remember, we got a bowl, filled it with vinegar, and put an egg inside. It's been 24 hours, a whole day, that it's been sitting in here, and now it is time to take the egg out and figure out what it feels like. Before we take it out, what do you think it does feel like? Did you do it yourself? And if you didn't, that is okay, but this is when you can touch it with your finger. But before we do that, I wonder what this stuff is. What do you think this white bubbly stuff is that's floating in the vinegar? Did you know that is part of the egg shell? I am going to ask my daughter Allie to come and help me with the rest of this experiment so she can feel what the egg feels like. Allie, come on over. Say hi.
Hi guys.
Okay, so we're going to take the egg out. How do you think it's going to feel before you touch it?
Soft.
Soft?
And squishy.
Maybe. Any other words you could describe?
Smooth.
Maybe smooth. All right, do you want to take it out or do you want me?
I'll do it.
Okay, go.
Oh.
How does it feel?
Soft and squishy.
Oh, don't drop it. Be oh so careful.
Wow.
Okay, guys, do you see a really good look at it? All of the hard shell is gone. Watch. I can actually smush it. It feels a little slimy to me.
Yeah.
Do you want to feel it, Allison?
You can also see the bubbles are on my hands, but the bubbles kind of rub off on the egg. But see how squishy? It's like a bouncy ball.
Or like almost, yeah, bouncy ball is a great example of how it feels. And it's it's very slippery and it's a little slimy. See the white stuff on my hand and on Allie's hand? That is part of the eggshell. As we touch it, the eggshell keeps coming off. Now, Allie, if you'd go to the sink really quick and put it in the sink and then get a knife, and we're gonna see what it looks like on the inside, okay? Do you think it cooked? Do you think, what is it gonna look like when we open it up? But before we do that, the reason why we did this science experiment is really important. Since we're talking about reptiles and amphibians, this is a lot like what a reptile's eggs look like. They're not hard like chicken's eggs. They are very soft. And so that is why we did the experiment. I wanted to show you what a reptile's egg looks like. So we have a plate. All right, woo. See, it's almost bouncy, watch. Now, if we took this egg with the hard shell on it, it would probably crack open, but because the hard shell on the outside has dissolved, it now bounces. Watch, I'm gonna do it again. Now, what do you think it's going to look like, Allie, when I open it up?
I think you're gonna be able to see the inside, the yolk, the orangish color maybe.
Okay, let's try
Maybe
it.
it's gonna pop.
Oh, you guys, look how interesting this is. So the entire inside of the egg came out, and look what is left. The outside of the eggshell is still there, but the hardness of it went away because of the vinegar. Isn't that interesting? I wish you were here to feel it.
Paper.
It does look a lot like paper.
This is like a paper towel or a napkin compared to the eggshell. It looks very similar and it feels almost the same. Super soft and not hard like the old eggshell used to be.
All right, you guys, I hope you loved Mrs. Pie's Mad Science. I will see you later, alligator. Bye.